Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so now you have seen your WAEC result. It is time to upload your O-level result. Okay, it is time to upload. This is someone's JAMB dashboard. It is time to upload it. Okay, and you would notice how will you know if your O-level result has been uploaded. You know, I can't be sharing this person's information, but what you need to do is when you click on your profile, you will see another page will come up, and it will say you have your O-level results shown there and all that. Let me just quickly, I'm going to leave this screen now. Hold on. I've clicked on the profile, so I'm going to navigate to the students O-level result, but it's still loading. The JAMB server is a bit slow this morning, okay, but you can see it's still scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. All right, but to see if your O-level result has been uploaded, you need to click your profile. All right, and you will see O-level, A-level, then you enter there and check. So how do you upload it? You can't do it by yourself. You need to go to a JAMB CBT center. They will need your thumbprint, okay, to get in there. So please go to a JAMB CBT center today to upload your O-level results, because it's going to be needed by the school. All right, if you don't do it, I've seen this has made some students miss their admission opportunities because they didn't upload their O-level result. So please tell your friends, family and loved ones, those that have just seen your WAEC result, quickly take that result now, go to a JAMB CBT center, upload your result, then log into your own JAMB caps. How do you log into your JAMB caps? Let me show you on this my other laptop screen. Okay, to log into your JAMB caps, you come to efacility.jamb.gov, you put in your email, you put in your password, okay, and it will take you to, that this is the first screen I showed you. All right, and you click on my profile, then you check your O-level result to check if it's there. If you want us at DTW to help you confirm that your O-level result has been uploaded, you can also WhatsApp us on 080-3873-2879. If you want us to print your original JAMB result, your admission letter, check your admission status. For those having email problem, you're having email problem, you can't access your caps, we can access it for you and check all those things and print and send to you. All right guys, please do share, let your friends and family know about this, and you can always get your WAEC pin, okay, to check your results. Come to dtwedustore.com. all right, you need to come to dtwedustore.com to check your to get your scratch card. All right, this is the store, dtwedustore.com, to get your scratch card to check your WAEC result. Just click on scratch cards here, it takes you here, and you have that for WAEC, NECO, any results you want to check. You understand me, you check to upload your result. All right, thank you everyone for staying tuned. I'm going to do a video on how to maybe you have email problems, how to resolve it, to get your password and all that. I'll be doing a video shortly. All right, so please do share this video, and don't forget that Jesus loves you. Come to him today. You are blessed guys and destined to win. See you in our next video.